buli muntu asabe mu ssaala ye Cephoch wamulese mu kkooti oyo gwe mulaba mu kitengi oyo muddira ye maama wa Cephoch oyo ayiseewo oyo addako mu t-shirt ya bbulaaka ye Cephoch bamutwala mu kkooti oyo ali mu t-shirt ya bbulaaka n'oli ali mu yero omuwendo gwe bagasse ku mpingu ye Cephoch ne buli muntu amusabire kubanga eno kkoodi yetusuubira esembayo Cephoch okujja okuwera omusango tulaye nga bamuta osegeera olwokutaano bane buli muntu asabire Cephoch bamute.
Nenga bana yavuddeyo ya avudde
Nebaja kibuuka muleka ku live mwesi mwasigale ku live mwesi abantu 10 plus yenga musigale wano mulaba wano no abo basigale awo basigale wano hi to me or anything or appreciate me or anything, don't worry, just go on 0754 26 25 12. Yes, pass on that number. Give me your information. Give me your message. Give me anything. Oba you want to buy me a soda. Oba you want to say Dr. Cephoch, we love you. Oba you want to send it over an audio. Over what? Give them. 0754 26 25 12. 0754 That is my number. So you can pass on it. No number Dr. Cephoch. This Dr. Cephoch. Just know you guys dim, but I'll give you a lot of details on my account. I'm going to do a live tonight. Yeah, do not forget her. And honestly speaking, do I even have battery? See me and get one. Oh, my auntie has my phone here. They'll bring them. Do not mind my voice. I a little bit have flu. Yeah. Otherwise, all in all, I've lost a lot because of the bitter truth, because of pleasing you guys. All you have to do is one thing. Always stay low. Another thing, I cannot get tired of saying thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, whoever took an initiative and be like, yo, Bakadama. Bambi mbagala nnyo, ba followers bange mbagala nnyo, amikwano mbagala nnyo. All in all, I cannot get tired of saying thank you. Namwadde temumjagala. Nga gwowulira byenkola tebikusanyusa. Still I will say thank you. But I will not get tired of giving you lugambo. I will just polish. Take it out, but I will give you lugambo because on lugambo is where I eat. You guys want me to go back to Muchalo? You want me to go back to Muchalo and I start digging? I have to give you lugambo, but not abusing. We shall polish. Otherwise, if you have something to send and you want people to see, so pretty much. I love you guys. Whoever took an initiative, no gamba Dr. Cephoch, this, thank you. All in all, you might be out there, no gamba Dr. Cephoch, you're coming from prison, but here is your soda, simu bubi. Just go on my number, that is 0754 26 25 12. You guys, I have Lugambo for you. How? Mama. Do you know Lugambo? Ali. Abana tino ba Lugambo so wechiri. Tulekera ba Lugambo. Tulekera.
Tuongere mbunge.
Should we stop giving you guys Lugambo? Muko yo Lugambo. No, tell me if you're tired of Lugambo, I go to village and work in my pharmacy. No, tell me. Sabletata. No, thank you, God. Cephoch, your church. Little Kano, welcome back. Anyways, all in all, we shall talk that on our live. All in all, thank you very much. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for everything. Thank you. The number is 0754 26 25 12.